Today we're taking a look at the Lehle dual expression pedal. And this pedal has some interesting features. We have two jacks for expression, and we have a USB jack as well, and a power jack. And this pedal can run from 9 volts to 15 volts. And it's a compact size. It's smaller than their standard mono volume pedal. It's 35% smaller and 50% lighter, so very pedal board friendly, and it's a small form factor. And I have this pedal here plugged in via the 10K jack into the Deluxe Memory Man here, and we're controlling the delay time. And this pedal has the two jacks for expression, and one is 10K and one is 50K. And the 10K jack will control more common expression pedal ranges, which is from 5K to about 20K. And then the 50K will control pedals that require either 25K all the way up to 100K of range. So the 10K and the 50K jacks, what's really cool is that they have an auto detect function for the polarity. So when you plug in your TRS cable, the two LEDs will blink back and forth, and it'll detect which is a TRS cable or an RTS cable. And this pedal will work with TS, TRS, and RTS, and kind of pretty much any expression needs that any pedal requires. You can pretty much get this pedal to work with any pedal that has expression port. And the 10K jack also can do momentary or latching functions. So when the pedal is in toe down position, it'll actually trigger the relay, which we can do momentary or latching. And for pedals like a Kemper or line 6 pedals, you can trigger kind of a wah function or something, and then you can move the pedal up and down for wah functions, and then when you really kind of get on it with your toe, it'll actually go back into, it'll latch and unlatch. So, and then we can do momentary. I've tried doing kind of tempo. You can kind of put your toe down a bit harder and rock it back and forth, and you can trigger that momentary switch, and you can do interesting things with that as well. And when you're moving the pedal up and down, both the 10K and the 50K are affected, so you can technically control two things at once, as well as the USB in. And the USB can be used to update the firmware, and in the future you can adjust tapers and stuff like that. So that's the Lehle dual expression. I'm going to control the speed here, and we can on this pedal we can with expression mode selector here, we can do blend, rate, depth, feedback, and delay. Right now I'm just controlling delay. Okay, so we plugged in a TS cable into the tap switch here on the Memory Man, and we're going to turn the 10K jack into a momentary function. So we're going to press the button until the blue LED is blinking. So now we're in momentary function. So when I press on the toe down on the pedal, we'll hear a click. So that is triggering the momentary function. So now the LED will blink on the delay time. So we can technically use it as a tap tempo, but you got to be kind of careful because when you get close to the toe down, it's gonna trigger. So then we can kind of get our BPM in, and then when you press the button one more time, we're gonna go into a latching mode. So when we press it, you can hear the click and it holds it, and then it unlatches and latches. So that's pretty much the functions of the Lehle pedal, the dual expression pedal. It's very useful. You can get creative with it. It's a small form factor, and it's very sturdy. It works on the same magnetic system as their mono volume pedal. So check out this pedal if you guys are looking for amazing expression pedal. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys later.